Welcome to the channel. We are going to learn how to make a chain stitch. To begin this, it's a 3-step process. First is to bring the needle from the bottom to the top. Now the second step is to make a loop like this. And the third step is to take the needle from the hole from where we have brought the thread and bring out inside the loop. So this is our loop and we are bringing the needle inside the loop and then pull it. So this is first chain. Now to make the second chain, again make the loop, bring the needle down from the hole from where the thread has come and take out inside the loop. So this is a loop and we are taking the needle inside the loop. So pull it again. So this is second chain. Then again make a loop, take your needle from the hole from the thread has come and bring out inside the loop and pull it. Again make the loop. So this is the loop, taking out the needle from the hole from where the thread has come and then taking it out inside the loop. Again making the loop, taking the needle from the hole and then bringing inside the loop and pulling it. Again the loop, this is the hole, taking it below and bringing it up inside the loop. So again making a loop, taking the needle down from the hole from the thread has come and bringing it up inside the loop, pulling it. Again making the loop, bringing the needle down from the hole from where the thread has come and bringing it up from down inside the loop. So this is the loop, taking it down from the hole from where it has come up and then bringing the needle up inside the loop. Again taking the needle down from the hole from and then bringing it up inside the loop and pulling it. To end this, we have to take the needle outside the chain and put it down. So this is the end. So this is how we make the chain stitch. If you like my channel and want to learn more about embroidery stitching, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.